For your supplies, you're going to need heavy watercolor paper, a bowl of water, a spoon, a few straws, some dish soap, any brand will work. You can either use, for this next one, either paint or food coloring. I chose food coloring because it's food safe. And this is a messy project, so you're going to need some tray and some paper towels. So your first step is going to take some dish soap, and then you're going to pour it in your bowl of water. Depending on how soapy you want it, you can add as little or as much dish soap as you like. You can always add more if it's not soapy enough. Now take your food coloring and add as few drops, depending how strong it is. I like my bulbs on the darker side, so I add a few more extra drops. And now once it's all combined, you mix well to get a nice even mixture as best as you can. Now that I've finished mixing my first bowl, we're going to take another color and do the same process again. We're going to add our dish soap and our food coloring. As you can tell, it does not matter what order you add it in, whatever way is easier for you. And again, as you saw earlier, I added some more extra soap because I thought I wasn't soapy enough, so I added just as much as I can. So that's it. Here is the fun part. So now we're going to take our straw and our thick paper, and we're going to start blowing some bubbles. So as you can see, you just blow as much as you want, how bubbly it is, and you just put the paper on top, and there you go. Now it's going to take a few tries to see it because my bubbles were kind of weak at first, just the materials I used for. But as you saw, I kept going at it, and the more bubbles you add, the more stronger the effect you're going to see. And you'll see me do it with all over with different colors as well to mix and match. As fun it is using a straw to make bubbles, make sure you guys do not drink any of this. It does taste really gross, and make sure it's going to taste really nasty in your mouth. So if you have young children with this, make sure they keep blowing out. If that's a big worry, you can always use bubble wands to be a safer experiment. And as you can see, if you mix and match your different colors, you're going to make some really fun designs. So now I have created some bubbles and let them dry a few minutes. So if you can see, here are my designs that I made, and the more you do it, the stronger it gets. So have a good day.